The push for Washington to grant Jamaicans temporary protected status, TPS, is growing momentum. But beyond the politics lies a deeper economic question. How could a TPS designation shape Jamaica's economic recovery in the months ahead? Deidre Thomas tells us more.
The conversation post-Hurricane Melissa is shifting from humanitarian relief to economic recovery strategy. And one question emerging is how could the U.S. granting temporary protected status to Jamaicans provide some economic relief? We put the issue to economist Keenan Faulkner.
For us, we may get a few extra remittances, which might be somewhere in the order of tens of millions of US dollars over the next couple of months. So that is the economic benefit that we would be set to derive from this proposed initiative, and especially heading into a season where demand is going to pick up, particularly during the festive season. Then that, I think, will help to stimulate some amount of demand in the domestic economy. So overall, I don't see any drawbacks from this.
TPS allows eligible individuals in the United States who cannot safely return to their home countries to live and work legally. This may be because of a natural disaster, armed conflict, or any conditions that make it dangerous to return. But there's another side to the story, one that has policymakers concerned. Already strained industries like tourism, healthcare, and construction could lose talent at a time Jamaica needs its workforce the most.
I don't really see that this will exacerbate existing labor conditions in Jamaica, because we are currently at full employment, and there are persons out there who are still looking for jobs, who may not be in any jobs. Of course, unemployment itself is going to inch upwards in the aftermath of this crisis. So persons, I don't think it's going to take away from our labor force.
He added that TPS could also operate as a much-needed economic pressure valve and a crucial injection of foreign exchange into the economy.
This TPS measure might also now help to offset some of the other foreign exchange losses that we are set to experience. Of course, with the closure of the tourist, several tourist accommodations, that should help to sort of staunch that fallout in FX inflows.
Jamaica wouldn't be the first. Countries like Haiti and Honduras have all used TPS designations following major disasters as they grapple with their own recovery challenges. The World Bank puts damage in Jamaica from Melissa at an estimated $8.8 billion US, or 41% of the country's entire GDP last year. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.